Happy Monday, everyone. We left the house this morning. I am driving for pickup in Georgia. This week we are going all the way to Massachusetts. We're picking up some plywood, some building materials. We have almost 1,200 miles ride. Should be in Massachusetts in Wednesday morning. And let's see how these trips go. See ya! Now it's recording.
So what you do, like TikTok and shit?
Yeah, I'm
Oh,
trying.
shit.
So, you want me to go closer to the fence?
Yeah.
Okay.
Open your doors and they'll come down there and get you, my man.
Thank you, brother.
Think about it.
Checked in. He'll send someone to get me. We'll get loaded. I don't have too many trucks here, which is a good thing. So let's go make that money. Backing in. I'll show you this dock, how it looks. They're gonna load me with some plywood. Wood. Going all the way to Massachusetts. We're at the wooden mill, Georgia. Let's show you how this is loaded. Yeah, it's mine.
I wonder what the hell that was.
I'm filming. Say hi to the camera. We should be out of here very quickly. Opa. Hey, brother. Massachusetts.
Where was born.
Yes.
There you go.
Good to go? Thank you. Got loaded. Took them about 30 minutes. Now we're gonna shut the doors, get the bill of lading, and we are off to 1,200 miles stretch. Delivery is Wednesday, 7 a.m. North Carolina, 790 miles to go until we get to Massachusetts. I will drive full shift tomorrow, 11 hours. Maybe I'll drive around 700 miles of it, and maybe for Wednesday morning we'll have a few more miles. Yep, that's it for the night. Stop in Vava. Diesel is $3.50 here, but everywhere else is $4, $4.50. So definitely the military attack on Iran is paying its price, and it's been only 2 days. If this shit continues, diesel prices are going up, and the load prices are not really changing. So everybody was talking about better market, it's bouncing back. Now, yeah, we're going back in a shithole again with this fucking war. That's how it is. But you know, we have only one choice you can do, and that's keep on trucking. Keep on rolling, baby.
You're at the Max Trans and not Max Trucking, correct?
Yeah, Max Trans. Something in the sun.
Max Trans, okay.
So those are separate companies on the side. Max Trans on MCD.
Okay. Well, and then I do have to upload a picture of the truck, like with the empty details and Discover tool, so you can take a picture and send that to.
No problem. You can send a package, and then my dispatch team will reach out to you. And whatever you need, or for me, I can send you pictures on the phone or however.
Yeah, I'll send an email so that way they can be responded to. Are you going to be able, but if I send an email we have on file, can have you respond back to you with pictures?
Yeah, just shoot an email to Dolly, and they'll take care of it.
Okay, there's something here.
So then they'll tell my dispatch to upload and fill out the highway package.
Okay. Over here. Alright, I'm going to go here. I'm going to send that highway packet, and it's going to dolly.maxtrans@gmail.com.
Now tell my dispatch team to look at the email.
Yep, I just sent it. Yep, I just sent it, and then let me just turn off here. Okay, the picture will have the picture of your truck. I think we need to upload it to Discover tool. I'll send that information over to that email. It's very easy to do that. And I'm going to get this set up here on my end. What time did you make it up tomorrow?
Well, I'm 100 miles away, 7 a.m.
but just point out that that highway package, if I get that back, and have the thumbs up here on my end, I'll send that return over, and then I will also send the instructions that will the pictures to trucker tools, okay?
Sounds great. Thank you. I texted my team, so they'll get take care of this as soon as possible.
And then just to confirm then, let me get your information here because I remember what your name is.
Oh, B is a boy, O-S-H, Jacob.
Okay, phone number?
248-525-8554.
And truck number?
1327.
And trailer number?
53344.
Okay. All right, I am working on this on my end, and I'll get return over as soon as possible.
Thanks so much. What's your name again?
My name is Jenny.
Jenny. Thank you for the call. Yeah, they're working with it.
Yeah, thanks. Yeah, thanks for calling. We'll be in touch.
Okay.
Thank you. Bye.
Well, that was, yeah, we're freezing. Yeah. Well, yeah, all the time, but I am around Baltimore, so even though I'm supposed to keep it up the park, I'm going to be in the next change.
Okay.
Yeah. I helped out the park, the baby, the parking lot, white cars.
That's nice.
Yeah. I found the park all over Baltimore. So keeping that up, I will meet, like, open my pretty much breakout thing, the motor. So, 3 screws right in front, easy. Yeah, well, I'm trying to get for 2 hours. Well, you know, old time raining, barely see, no wipers.
Yeah, that's fine. Thanks.
Yeah, you got to think of this. For a long time.
Not the best weather out there, huh?
No. I'm 7 minutes away. How are you? That was fun. A month. You were jumping a lot?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, we got. Show people with the dust and thing.
Yeah.
We got it on my Jenny website. Yeah. Please do
Yeah. Insurance can drop you because of that.
Well, they already have it.
Oh, they're
They're interested in you.
Yeah. Our insurance just got 900 bucks. Yeah, that's all fun. Watch, we had a great time.
Yeah, they were like swimming in the dark. And that's that rock. Kids, all covered. And Martin would keep up to the bottom. He's small kids, yeah, he's full of kids. He's looking nice at the bottom. But Masha, doesn't play with car like that. Masha was funny because Masha was with the fish. She is the afterward. He doesn't have to take the big from car. And I was and I was here and I was there. One of the dozen days and I was funny. But he can't do that. He doesn't have Masha at all. I'm not using it. Don't think it's but Masha's cool. That's all the rest. Yeah, that's all about you. We're very back.
That's how it works with kids.
Masha with Masha very okay. What is the nice thing about the feeling? Masha came up with and then the words like this. It was a big one. Of course. It was a bit of Jesus God.
What?
Yeah, it's a lot of Masha.
Wow. Yes. Yeah. 450. Decent. Yeah, I don't know. Hey, wait, I'm arriving here. Please, it's calling me. Come on. Oh, nice. Yeah, so. Say telephone, say telephone. Thank you. What's your chance? It's not sure. Ja adesso saliamo, facciamo il semáforo. Zajmę robię wysać, mamy jeszcze. No, zajmę, wysać, ale poco ponema, nie masz chować, no. Znaczy, uda się, ja chciałem lewo, a powiem, to jest. Tak, to jest semáforo, to jest. I tu faktycznie, będę kiedyś, to pobiegam chowa, panie? Super, ale mogę, coś miałem, żeby pomogę człowiek, rozumiem. Ja, postajemy od tego sam. Nas premia, ty szlafę listę i jest deset, i pozadi, może, a się wiele masz szlafę, szlafę, to lubię faktycznie. A, ja, kale sega, nie, mega. Ej, suda sega, jest. Patrz, chodź, determinat. Nie, nie, tylko. Ładne, bo jest złoto, tylko jest zjawę. Chodź, proszę, ja. A, dobrze?
paziennie, swite za prawa, akurat i pacjenty, i swite za prawa.
Klasy, to znają, może naprawdę, to nie ma pokażę, nie kłaść.
No, te gry, to ty są też, prawda?
Zajdziecie prawda, ja mogę powiedzieć.
Za to, że się opowiem. To jest to a ja sobie nie otworzę, ale tak, ja sam wtedy chciałbym, no stałem się okusił. Patyce, a ja trzeba, jak jest patrzę.
Батице!
New York. Pick up a load from Florida.
New York State or New York City?
Yeah, New York State. Somewhere in New York State. 100 miles from here. South.
Sounds good.
Yeah.
That's far right this time.
Oh, yep.
No, it's
Turned out good. I didn't get any traffic anyway. Just a little hiccup with the park. They get that. So good.
well, my birthday's not related to the world.
Yeah. Yeah, need to change it. Thankfully, you just help me out.
Thank you, Lisa.
Yeah.
Thank you, my ex-husband.
Yeah. What do you bring?
The contract wasn't
What about that?
It's like a window. What's that?
Yeah, then we went cold wash up to his place. They live in a white marsh.
That's weird.
Yeah, they came out 2 houses very similar to Germantown. Just they have a basement. Like 3 stories. We had a basement, 2 bedroom house. Sebastian was there, but not much was still working. She works late.
What did she do?
No, she was thinking at some point. She works like a property manager. So,
Alright.
yeah, so in Baltimore, building, but even she's doing roadside assistance with the car and some IT stuff on the side.
No, she was like, property manager, just property science. What do you mean?
Yeah.
That's what people come from New York to do it.
Yeah.
Experience.
Yeah.
Stressful.
Oh, yeah.
Maybe you're going to see on the stress. Good job. Make one.
Она молодая, у нее еще запас нервов есть.
Do you need the paperwork? Thank you, sir. Appreciate it.
So you're just gonna back up to that side, and when you hit the bumps, pull forward like 3 inches.
Okay.
All right?
Alright, yeah. Reviews report for this company. So far, so good.
You know, with reviews, like, people leave reviews when something happens.
Yeah, and of course, some people.
No one's going to take their time to leave a review when something goes smoothly. Something goes smoothly in one review day.
Yeah, haters. So good.
And shit happens everywhere. You stop wasting more than hours. Now, some companies learn from mistakes. Maybe you just don't like it. Cool.
Nice. Well, first, only truck, right? 645.
Maybe not.
Yeah.
No, I'm going to take a question now. That's all I am.
Empty in Massachusetts. Took them 1 hour. There was not too many loads in this area, so I'm driving 2 hours south. That's on the way to Florida. Picking up load in New York State. It's like 100 miles away. It should be around 10:30, 11. Everything is on schedule.